Do you know how long it would take to drive around Russia? 4 whole days. Yes, Russia is such a vast country that it would take you 4 whole days to cover it from one end to the other. But do you know how long it takes to drive from the United States to Russia? 20 minutes. Unbelievable, right? There is actually a strait in western US called Bering Strait. To the east of this strait is Alaska, the United States, and to the other, and west, is the Chukchi Peninsula of Russia. The width of this strait is only 82 kilometers, which means that you just cross a sea of 82 kilometers, and you will reach Russia directly from the US, although the international dateline also passes through here. So your watch may have a different time, but it will only take you 20 minutes. Geography of Americas. The region of Americas can be divided into 3 parts. The first is North America, Central America in the middle, and South America downward. In this you can count North and South America as different continents. But before we talk about their particular geographical features, like their mountain ranges, rivers, plateaus, etc., let's look at their extensions, how far they are spread from south to north, and some good facts will also be known in it, such as if we talk about North America, so this continent extends from Aleutian Islands in north to the Isthmus of Panama in the south. It has Atlantic on one side and Pacific on the other. If we talk about the countries in this region, so there are 3 countries. The first one is at the top, which is Canada. The small portion of Canada, known as Alaska, is also part of US. The next country is United States of America, and the last one is Mexico. Similarly, speaking of the geographical boundaries of Central America, it is bounded by the Caribbean Sea in the east, Mexico in the north, the Pacific Ocean in the west, and Colombia in the south. This Central America is made up of 7 countries, which are Guatemala, Belize, El Salvador, Honduras, Nicaragua, Costa Rica, and Panama. Among these 7 countries, Nicaragua is the largest country in Central America. Similarly, if we talk about South America, it is the 4th largest continent in the world. South America extends from the Gulf of Darien in the north to an archipelago called Tierra del Fuego in the south. Talking about the countries located here, there are a total of 12 countries: Chile, Argentina, Uruguay, Paraguay, Bolivia, Peru, Ecuador, Brazil, Colombia, Venezuela, Guyana, Suriname, French Guiana. Among these countries, Brazil is the largest country. Now let's talk about America's geographical feature, in which first we will talk about mountain ranges. Mountain ranges of America. There are 3 major mountain ranges located in North America. First, Rocky Mountains, Appalachian Mountains, and Sierra Nevada. The Rocky Mountain Range is the longest mountain range in North America and the second longest mountain range in the world. This mountain range extends from Canada in the north to the state of New Mexico in the south. The total length of this mountain range is about 3,000 kilometers. Most of it is covered with forests and vegetation. And this is the reason that major U.S. national parks such as Yellowstone National Park, Rocky Mountain National Park, Grand Teton National Park, Glacier National Park, are all located in the same mountain range. The next mountain range is Appalachian. Its length is approximately 1,500 kilometers. This mountain range is located in the eastern side of the North American continent. Temperate alpine-type vegetation is found here. It is the 3rd largest mountain range in North America. Sierra Nevada is a fault block mountain range with a length of 500 kilometers and a width of 70 kilometers. The largest tree species, known as sequoia trees, are the endemic species here. You must have heard of Sequoia Capital, which is venture capital company, and is named after this tree. The Sierra Nevada mountain range is located in the U.S. state of California. In addition to the Cascade Mountain ranges, it is also an import mountain range in North America. This is a young folded mountain system. Those who don't know, let me tell them that young mountain systems are mountains that are constantly evolving. That is, due to active tectonic moments, they are constantly raising their height. The Himalayas mountain system, located in the north of India, is also a young folded mountain system. After North America, let's talk about some mountain ranges located in Central America. The Sierra Madre, located in Mexico, and the Central American Volcanic Arc are the major mountain ranges here. The Central American Volcanic Arc, abbreviated as called CAVA, it is a volcanic mountains chain that stretches from Mexico to Panama on the west coast of Central America. Talking about the highest peak here, Mount Tajumulco is the highest peak here, which is located in Guatemala. In addition, There are many major volcanoes located in this region, such as Costa Rica's Arenal, Nicaragua's Masaya, and Guatemala's Pacaya. After North and Central America, we now move to South America. And the largest mountain range in South America is the Andes mountain range, which is also the longest mountain chain in the world. The total length of the Andes mountain range is approximately 8,850 kilometers, and it is spread across 7 countries, namely Venezuela, Colombia, Ecuador, Peru, Bolivia, Chile, and Argentina. Mount Aconcagua is the highest peak here, with a height of 22,841 feet, and this peak is located in Argentina and is a unique geological feature of the Andes ranges, which we call the Andesaic volcanic belt. It is a belt found in the Andes Mountains, formed by the subduction of the Nazca Plate into the Atlantic Plate. Apart from the Andes Mountains, there are 2 major highlands in South America. The first is the Brazilian Highlands, and the second is the Guiana Highlands. The Brazilian Highlands are located in South Brazil on the Amazon River. The highlands are made up of mountain peaks and plateaus, with an average elevation of 1,000 meters or around 1 kilometer. Likewise, the Guiana Highlands, located between the Amazon and the Orinoco River, is a heavily forested highland that stretches across southern Venezuela, French Guiana, northern Brazil, and Colombia.